Which organ system is responsible for producing hormones? Nervous, endocrine, digestive, muscular. Endocrine. The endocrine system secretes hormones that regulate growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Which organ is part of the both digestive and endocrine system? Liver, pancreas, gallbladder, stomach. Pancreas. The pancreas produces digestive enzymes and hormones like insulin. Which organ system transports oxygen throughout the body? Respiratory, cardiovascular, nervous, lymphatic. Cardiovascular. The cardiovascular system circulates blood, carrying oxygen and nutrients. Which organ system removes nitrogenous waste from the blood? Digestive, urinary, respiratory, lymphatic. Urinary. The urinary system filters blood and removes waste as urine. Which organ system includes the skin? Muscular, integumentary, skeletal, nervous. Integumentary. The integumentary system consists of skin, hair, and nails. Which organ system is responsible for gas exchange? Cardiovascular, respiratory, digestive, nervous. Respiratory. The respiratory system exchanges oxygen and carbon dioxide in the lungs. Which organ system produces blood cells? Skeletal, muscular, endocrine, lymphatic. Skeletal. Bone marrow in skeletal system produces blood cells. Which organ system defends against pathogens? Nervous, lymphatic, digestive, muscular. Lymphatic. The lymphatic system includes immune cells that fight infection. Which organ system controls voluntary movement? Nervous, muscular, skeletal, endocrine. Muscular. Skeletal muscles enable voluntary movement. Which organ system regulates body temperature? Nervous, integumentary, endocrine, cardiovascular. Integumentary. The skin regulates temperature through sweating and blood flow. Which organ system includes the heart? Respiratory, cardiovascular, endocrine, digestive. Cardiovascular. The heart pumps blood throughout the body. Which organ system includes the brain and spinal cord? Nervous, endocrine, muscular, skeletal. Nervous. The nervous system controls body function and communication. Which organ system includes the kidney? Digestive, urinary, lymphatic, endocrine. Urinary. Kidney filters blood and produces urine. Which organ system includes the lungs? Respiratory, cardiovascular, digestive, nervous. Respiratory. Lungs are the major organ for gas exchange. Which organ system includes the ovaries? Endocrine, reproductive, digestive, urinary. Reproductive. Ovaries produce eggs and hormones for reproduction. Which organ system includes the thyroid gland? Nervous, endocrine, digestive, muscular. Endocrine. The thyroid gland regulates metabolism. Which organ system includes the stomach? Digestive, urinary, respiratory, lymphatic. Digestive. The stomach breaks down food mechanically and chemically. Which organ system includes the spleen? Digestive, lymphatic, endocrine, nervous. Lymphatic. The spleen filters blood and supports immune function. Which organ system includes the liver? Digestive, endocrine, urinary, muscular. Digestive. The liver produces bile and processes nutrients. Which organ system includes the bladder? Digestive, urinary, lymphatic, nervous. Urinary. The bladder stores urine before excretion. Which organ system includes the esophagus? Digestive, respiratory, nervous, endocrine. Digestive. The esophagus transports food to the stomach. Which organ system includes the thymus? Endocrine, lymphatic, digestive, nervous. Lymphatic. The thymus develops immune cells. Which organ system includes the gallbladder? Digestive, urinary, endocrine, nervous. Digestive. The gallbladder stores bile for fat digestion. Which organ system includes the testes? Endocrine, reproductive, digestive, urinary. Reproductive. The testes produce sperm and hormones. Which organ system includes the adrenal glands? Endocrine, nervous, digestive, muscular. Endocrine. Adrenal gland produce stress hormones like cortisol.